Master the English language. The power of demonstrative pronouns. Hello there. Welcome back to our series on grammar fundamentals. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of demonstrative pronouns. These handy linguistic tools help us identify and specify things in our speech and writing. Ready to master this crucial aspect of English grammar? Let's dive right in. Demonstrative pronouns are words that replace nouns in a sentence. They are called demonstrative because they demonstrate or point to something. The English language has four primary demonstrative pronouns, which are this, that, these, and those. The usage of these pronouns depends on the distance and number of the nouns they are replacing. This and these refer to something close to the speaker, either physically or metaphorically. This is used for singular or uncountable nouns, while these is used for plural nouns. That and those point to something further away. That is used for singular or uncountable nouns, and those is used for plural nouns. Now that we know what demonstrative pronouns are, let's see them in action. When referring to a singular noun that is close by, we use this. For example, this is my book. To refer to a plural noun that is close, we use these. For example, these are my friends. When we talk about a singular noun that is further away, we use that. For example, that is my house. Lastly, when referring to a plural noun that is far away, we use those. For example, those are my colleagues. Remember, the concept of distance in demonstrative pronouns can also be figurative. It's not just about physical distance, but also about psychological or emotional distance. And there you have it. That's your introduction to demonstrative pronouns in English. Practice makes perfect, so try using these pronouns in your daily conversations or writings. You'll be amazed at how they can enhance your English communication skills. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, the journey to mastering a language is a marathon, not a sprint. So take your time, enjoy the process, and soon you'll be reaping the rewards of your hard work. Stay tuned for more grammar essentials in our next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.